The human brain, a marvel, has filled technological, scientific, and artistic feats. From crafting homes to envisioning futures, it's a complex, incredible organ. In this video, discover 10 little-known facts highlighting the astonishing nature of our nervous system and the wonders it continues to unveil. Subscribe for more brain insights and fascinating discoveries each week. Number 10. The brain runs hot. The human brain operates like a machine, generating heat as it works, reaching 40 degrees. Unusual heat patterns may signal brain damage or disorders. Gender differences show female brains are slightly warmer, likely due to the menstrual cycle. Daily temperature variations are minimal, averaging within 1 degree, with cooler outer parts. Brain temperatures fluctuate, being cooler at night and warmer during the day, while older individuals tend to have warmer brains. This research offers insights into potential diagnostics and treatments for brain conditions by mapping 40 brain temperature variations throughout the day. Number 9. Particulates may damage the brain. Inhaled ultrafine toxic air pollution particles can infiltrate the bloodstream from the lungs, reaching and embedding in the brain tissues. This invasion, facilitated by the blood-brain barrier, is concerning as the particles including calcium, iron, malate, and anatase titanium dioxide may induce neuroinflammation and lead to significant cognitive decline. The blood-brain barrier, typically allowing only essential molecules like oxygen and glucose, is breached, highlighting potential risks associated with long-term exposure to such particles, with implications for neural health. Number 8. Some brains cannot read faces. Prosopagnosia, or face blindness, is a neurological disorder causing an inability to recognize familiar faces, affecting even celebrities like Brad Pitt. Despite being aware of faces, individuals with this condition struggle to identify them, leading to social challenges. Pitt shares how others often misinterpret his inability, causing feelings of isolation. The disorder, potentially linked to abnormalities in the fusiform gyrus of the brain, usually begins from birth. Approximately 1 in 50 people, as per the National Health Service, experiences prosopagnosia, shedding light on the prevalence and challenges associated with this condition. Number 7. The brain can be rewired. Psilocybin mushrooms show promise in treating major depressive disorders, resistant to conventional methods, labeled a potential breakthrough therapy by the FDA. The intestines convert psilocybin into psilocin, a substance with psychoactive properties, offering relief for conditions like cluster headaches, anxiety, and PTSD. Psilocybin breaks the grip of negative thoughts in depression, fostering flexible thinking. Researchers propose that it enables the development of new dendrites in neurons, enhancing communication between brain cells and building new circuits. However, caution is advised by experts like Matthew Johnson, acknowledging that psychedelics may not be effective for everyone. Number 6. Modern life changes the brain. Stress from modern life can strain the brain's prefrontal cortex, causing frontal fatigue and increasing vulnerability to mental disorders. Dr. Rigo proposes a 3-step plan for relief. Recognize signs like attention difficulties and irritability. Engage in hands-on activities and sensory exploration, and manage thoughts through meditation, reading, and reduced tech use. Social interactions are crucial, using people to connect not only with close ones, but also with acquaintances and strangers. These strategies aim to restore balance, enhance well-being, and counteract the negative impacts of contemporary stressors on mental health. Number 5. The brain compresses data. The human brain efficiently performs tasks by adopting tunnel vision, ignoring irrelevant data. and compressing information to maximize performance while minimizing costs. Neuroscientists, including researchers Christian McCants and Joe Patton, have highlighted these principles, offering insights for future studies exploring how mental constructs of the world support intelligent behavior. This research has broader implications for life sciences, artificial intelligence, and decision-making, paving the way for a deeper understanding of how the brain navigates information to enhance overall cognitive function. Number 4. Einstein's brain had some unusual features. Albert Einstein's brain displayed typical aging changes, and while his parietal lobe lacked a furrow and operculum, this absence might have enhanced connections related to visuospatial functions and mathematical skills. Additionally, his cerebral cortex exhibited a unique pattern of convolutions, increasing surface area, possibly contributing to his extraordinary abilities and thought experiments on space and time. Contrary to expectations, Einstein's brain was smaller than average. The distinctive features observed offer intriguing insights into the neural characteristics that underpinned Einstein's exceptional cognitive capacities. Number 3. A few animals' brain cells are similar to our own. The von Economo neuron, named after anatomist Constantin von Economo, is distinctive and present in the brains of certain animals, particularly larger ones like great apes, whales, dolphins, cows, and elephants. Scientists suggest it evolved independently in big-brained or highly social animals. Absent in certain brain diseases, it's abundant in superagers, older individuals resistant to typical memory loss. However, limited research exists due to the absence of these neurons in lab animals like rats and mice. Future studies will likely focus on understanding the significance of these unique neurons. Number 2. The brain loves a surprise. MRI scans uncover that the human brain is inherently wired to find pleasure in unexpected events, with surprises generating robust responses from the nucleus accumbens, known as the brain's pleasure center. According to experts, unexpected positive surprises trigger a surge of dopamine in the nucleus accumbens, creating a vivid response akin to a lit-up Christmas tree. This neurological mechanism sheds light on why unexpected gifts on ordinary days might bring more joy than anticipated ones on birthdays, highlighting the brain's strong affinity for positive surprises. Number 1. The brain reacts to horror movies. Neuroimaging exposes the brain's intricate responses to horror movies, particularly when tension builds towards a climatic event. Unlike jump scares triggering dopamine, increased activity in visual and auditory processing areas occurs as anxiety gradually rises. Post-horror scenes activate emotional processing, threat evaluation, and decision-making centers. Horror movies stand out for introducing supernatural threats, creating a social experience and excitement. Psychological horror, inspired by real events, proves most frightening, with unseen threats evoking more fear than visible dangers. Brain scans reveal dynamic interplay between areas during horror-induced anxiety and sudden shocks. Explore the wonders of the human mind. Like and subscribe. Peace.